Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. In a quick one, if you be prone to redness, I want to say this, that there are many reasons why your skin can be red, from sunburn to allergic reaction. There are many things that can make your skin open to redness. It can easily be because of excess blood, rushing out to the surface from your blood vessel, extra blood rushing out, gushing out, or pumping out to the surface of your skin, all right, to fight against any irritant or irritated substance, or will I say you being on your skin, right? So it could be like excess blood try to gush out, try to fight against that irritant, so that you might get rid of it and get healed. That's one reason. Or it might be a suction, which is a cause of your heart getting panting, and after maybe some exercise. That's that. Or it might be something else, maybe a lotion or whatever. It might be all that. But what I'm telling you is this, that we got one easy and simple cure to all that irritant of redness on your skin. This is the antidote, or the antioxidant to that skin irritation called redness. Some people have this time without number, really battling with it, finding a way that they can get this redness off their skin, but it becomes a problem to them because it's just natural. It might be something like from your what you inherited from your parents or that, but there's still limits to it, in the sense that when it comes to the cure, because it's very easy. This is just Irish water redness remover, 100%. And it has been proven, scientifically proven, that yes, it can remove redness from your skin without any side effect. All you just need to do, bring out your warm water and then put 1 cup of this Irish redness remover inside it. Then you bring your face towel, you dip inside, then you use it to dab wherever you have that irritant called redness. Do it in the morning, you do it in the evening. Before you do it, like 2 days to 3 days, it will suck off that redness. It will suck it off. And before you know, your skin become clean again. A lot of people, they have this issue of redness. It could be from maybe my friend, one of my friends from the UK was saying, I don't even know if my blood vessel is leaking. I said, it's not leaking. Just your body like a proto-acne. It's easy, like when you do any work, you get open to redness. So he said, so do I need to be taking the cure all around me? I said, no, that is why you have this original cure. All right? Yes, that's why you have this original cure. All you need to do at the appropriate time, because our problem right now, because we work against time. Are you getting it? So in a reason where you're supposed to get the right time to eradicate irritant, because you've used it once, you've used the antidote for it, or you use the antioxidant for it once and a particular time, and it expects you to use it at that exact time from the few hours or the few minutes from the time you use it. And if you refuse to use it, the thing will only gather more energy to develop, because it tried to how will I put it? It tried to come out. That's why I say every irritant, or every blemishes, or every diseases in the body, like it all started from the brain when you have the signal. So then he will be like trying to look for a way to manifest from every part of your body. And so when you see the place that is so weak, that when the immune system is not strong or lack of some vitamins at that particular place, then he will try to locate his way out and develop. It will develop something from the skin, which is the irritant or the disease or whatever it is. So the thing is, we should always make sure we use whatever we use to cure our irritant or any effect in your body, whatever it was, you should work with the time. Time is not our side. He work against you, you work against him, fine. But sometimes I could say, I only want to be friend with time. How do I be friend with time? To work with the actual time that I'm supposed to do something. So I urge you, I advise you, I indulge you to always, when you get this, use it at the appropriate time. When you use it, if it is 6 to 6 or if it is 12 to 12, when you're applying it, apply it at the right time so that it can suck the redness off. It's just, it's not that too serious. Redness is not that too serious. Like I told you, it could be caused by a lot of things. It could be caused by sunburn. It could be caused by maybe exertion, right? Which is maybe after some exercise, your heart pounding. It could be caused by that, and it could be caused by maybe by a lotion or any cream that you use that have maybe too harshness on it. So, but this is the cure. Get this redness remover and eradicate that. And then again, you can see we'll be on a course for some days now, about a week plus now. When I told you, you see my skin, I've been trying to do some experiment on the new lotion I created with the magic powder I told you about, and you can see my skin. I was a bit like, go check my previous video, I was a bit darker than this, and now this is just 6 days now, getting like less than 1 week now, see my skin. So I might, just because I'm not a fair person, I only just do this to prove to you guys that it's working. So I might just want to stop it. Other than that, if I say I should continue that, then watch me out in the next 2 weeks. You're gonna see my skin color will be more than this. It will be more. I will be getting more 2 shade to 3 shade, right? So that is it. I tell you, believe anything I tell you. This is not just YouTube class. No, you can easily call me via the number on your screen. Wherever you are in the world, being UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, just put a call through. We can deliver anywhere. We have organic recipe, we have cosmetic, even we're into hairs. I've told you about that. We're into African entires, and we're into even food stuff as well. We ship everywhere. All right, so I want you to have that in back of your mind, that what I told you, if you do it completely, it will work. So that is the end of the class. Sha, 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 sha. Obele, sha, sha.